Welcome to the offer of me Nokia G11, and I'll show you how to turn on always on display feature on this device. So let's just first open the Play Store application, and after that here in the search pool enter the Muviz Edge. Okay, so I just forgot to activate the Wi-Fi, sorry. Unfortunately, we have not installed by default the AD feature. That's why we should get this application from the Play Store. And now just tap here to install to get this app, and just wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, just tap here to open the app, click Draw Over Apps, and find here now Muviz Edge. Tap once on the switcher and go back to the app. Here tap to the AOD and select one from these available tabs, for example this one. Click here to apply, and now let's just lock the device. And we can see that the always on display feature successfully activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.